Let's get started by setting up your store profile in eLocate. This is the information your customers will see when they find your business in the store locator, including your contact details, location, logo, and business hours. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. Now, let's continue setting up your first store. From the Stores page, click Add New to create a new store. You'll start in the Store Profile section, where we'll go through each tab together, beginning with General Details. Start by entering your store's basic information, including its name, website, phone number, and email address. These details help customers recognize your business and know how to get in touch with the right location. Next, let's add your store logo. A logo makes it easier for customers to recognize your business when they're browsing your store locations. Simply drag and drop your logo into the upload area, or click Browse to select a JPG or PNG file from your computer. For the best results, we recommend using an image that's 530 pixels wide by 145 pixels high or smaller. Once it's uploaded, you'll see it appear in the logo preview. Now let's add your store's location. Open the Address tab, then enter your complete address, then select it from the list. Once you've selected the address, eLocate automatically fills in the state, city, and zip code for you. If the map pin isn't quite in the right spot, simply drag it to the correct location. You can also zoom in or out to place it more precisely. Next, let's set your business hours. For each day your store is open, turn on the checkbox. Then choose your opening and closing times from the drop-down menus. Leave any days your business is closed unchecked, and they won't appear in your store locator. If your business has different hours during holidays, you can turn on Holiday Notice and enter a custom message to let customers know what to expect. For example, you might use a message like, "Hours may vary on major holidays." That's it! Your store profile details are now complete. Next, let's continue setting up your store by adding the zip codes your store serves in Store Coverage. If you need a hand at any point, just click Get Help in the top right corner to access Epic's support resources. And if you have a question or would like a personalized walkthrough, just email us at support@epicshops.com. Our team will be happy to help.